Hello and welcome to another BioTek tutorial. I'm Wolfram Franke and I'm the main developer of BioTek. In this episode, I'd like to talk about FM and the FM algorithms available in BioTek. I've set up a sound with 4 sine oscillators and only the first one is activated, which sounds like this. Pretty familiar? Okay, I can add a second oscillator. It still sounds the same because they are both set to the same pitch. So let's just detune the second one by 1 octave and, for example, 4 semitones. Okay, this sounds pretty strange, but when I now change the FM algorithm to a different algorithm, it might sound quite interesting. Not yet, but here you go. As you can hear right now, the second oscillator, depicted here with a 2, frequency modulates the first one. And so you only hear the first one because only these 2 are active right now. 3 and 4 are off anyway. So you don't hear oscillator 2 directly, but it frequency modulates 1 and you listen to 1 only. Let's go back to algorithm 1 and set up some strange pitch values for the remaining oscillators as well. Like this. Yeah, okay, it might sound like a very strange organ. But now let's just go to the different algorithms while I hold a note. As you can hear, pretty different sounding oscillators, aren't they? Okay, but for sure, you can't do a lot of stuff with something like that. But as you can see here, 4, 3, 2, 1, this means you only listen to oscillator 1. And this one is frequency modulated by 2, which is frequency modulated by 3, which is frequency modulated by 4. Now, when I decrease the level of this oscillator, then the frequency modulation is reduced, like this. And now it gets usable. Now, wouldn't it be great if this could be modulated by an envelope? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, envelope 3, for example, assign it and set it to the level of oscillator 2. And there you go. Okay, let's get out of this assignment view and change the envelope a little bit. Maybe add another stage. Okay, interesting, but let's use a different algorithm with 2 pairs like this. So oscillator 2 frequency modulates 1 and we hear oscillator 1, but we also hear oscillator 3, which is frequency modulated by oscillator 4. And we do the same as we did on oscillator 2. We just turn the level down to 0 and assign the envelope 3 to it. Sounds pretty much like some form of bell. So let's make a typical bell envelope. Very nice. Now maybe some chorus effects to full. Hope you liked this episode and see you in the next episode. Bye.